To enable or disable Type to Siri on iPhone, start by opening the Settings app, which can be found on your home screen. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Then choose Siri. In the Siri menu, you will find the option to enable or disable Type to Siri. If you enable this feature, you will be able to type messages to Siri instead of speaking them. This can be useful in quiet environments or when you prefer not to speak out loud. To use Type to Siri, press and hold the side button or say "Hey Siri." Then tap the keyboard icon that appears at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to type your request to Siri. If you want to disable Type to Siri, simply go back to the Siri menu in the accessibility settings and toggle off the switch next to Type to Siri. This will remove the keyboard icon from the Siri interface and you will only be able to communicate with Siri through voice commands. It is worth noting that Type to Siri can be a convenient feature for people who prefer to communicate through text, but it may not be as quick or efficient as using voice commands. It is also important to be aware of your surroundings when using Type to Siri, as you will need to look at the screen to type your request. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to experiment with both voice commands and typed requests to see which method works best for you. You may find that you prefer to use Type to Siri in certain situations, such as in quiet environments, while using voice commands in other situations, such as when you are driving or exercising. Overall, enabling or disabling Type to Siri on iPhone is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these instructions and experimenting with different methods, you can find the way of communicating with Siri that works best for you.